I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reprogram your Jaguar X-Type key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, including any spares you wish to program. Next, ensure your car battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the process. Finally, locate your car's diagnostic port, which is typically found under the dashboard on the driver's side. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful reprogramming experience. To enter programming mode, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to position 2, but do not start the engine. Now, locate the valet switch, usually near the diagnostic port, and press and hold it for 5 seconds. You should hear a chime, which confirms that your vehicle has successfully entered the key fob programming mode. This step is crucial for the next stage. With the car in programming mode, take your first key fob and press any button on it. The car will acknowledge this. Immediately repeat this action for all other key fobs you wish to program, ensuring you do so within 10 seconds of each other. Once all fobs are programmed, turn the ignition completely off to exit the programming sequence. After completing the programming, thoroughly test each key fob to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, work correctly. If any fob fails to operate as expected, simply repeat the entire programming sequence from the beginning. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.